Hello everyone, I'm Lady Jason. Today I'm back to react to Sammy's Children's Day, episode 2. I actually reacted to episode 1 this morning and yeah, I didn't expect the show to already post the second episode. I couldn't wait, the curiosity is killing me actually, so why not watch episode 2 in the same day? Let's just start. 3, 2, 1, go.
你講乜嘢啊？
你做咩啊？
如果我家姐少咗一條頭髮，你死梗！
我哋可唔可以行巷仔啊？
你驚乜嘢啊？有我喺度喎。
That's the problem.
驚阿爸見到我同黑幫嘅人喺埋一齊，會擔心我。
我下雙刀，驚乜嘢啊？我根本唔使驚，好冇？呢啲咁嘅威脅力點都有啩？嚇？
我唔係呢個意思。
You're the gangster he's talking about.
姐姐，你家姐而家點啊？
佢瞓着咗，你自己隨便睇下。
好。
跨過池塘門，生死梟騎雲，忠義心中記，伴這兩刀痕。
How can the show be funny and so dramatic at the same time?
我唔做黑社會啊！
你今日知道咗我哋咁多梟騎堂嘅秘密，你唔入嚟，咁我唯有選擇斬死你。
Stop threatening people all the time. You will not kill him. I don't believe you.
你唔會斬死我嘅。你頭先啱啱救咗我，再斬死我，咪好多餘。而且我覺得你唔係嗰種亂斬亂殺嘅黑社會啊！你係梟騎堂威風凜凜嘅下雙刀喎，要為幫派做大事嘅人。我一個手無寸鐵嘅大學生，邊有資格俾你斬？
真係諗唔到。
He has good reflex.
你把口都幾識擦鞋嘅喎，你呢個四眼仔想做我條僆未夠班啊！幫我包下。
哦，好啊。可能會有少少痛喎，你忍下。
我係邊個啊？由細到大受嘅傷多過讀嘅書，呢啲咁嘅傷算得啲乜嘢？何錯心？你咁大力做乜嘢啊？
我冇啊！
你唔好扮嘢啊！我一早就覺得你唔老實㗎啦，寫劇本就喺度玩我，就同家姐告狀，一睇就知你唔係好人啦。唔好以為我唔知啊，我只係費事同你計較咋。
咁你大人有大量喎。
口甜舌滑。
夏六一啊？
加個哥字。
六一哥，你面上都有傷啊！你過嚟啊，我幫你搽。
It's still there.
係啦，嗰日喺後台，小妹問你乜嘢？
佢問我乜嘢係愛情，
你點答嘅？
我仲未嚟得切答佢啊。其實我都唔知啊。呢次係我第一次寫愛情故事。
你寫得好曳啊！
不過書入邊有講過嘅，愛情係一個人不顧一切救另外一個人嘅時候產生嘅。
哦。
路一哥，你點解要救我啊？
何初心，你真係
You're really what?
好鬼嘈啊！
Oh.
家姐，
So they're already sister and brother?
係我啊，六一啊。
六一，你嚟啦！
Does it hurt?
最近收咗幾個檔口，官山仲嘅老闆送咗一堆嘢俾我，睇下中唔中意？做咩啊？最近點解唔喺祠堂住多幾日嘅？
你哋都唔喺嗰邊，我唔想一個人住喺嗰度。
阿哥呢？阿哥冇陪你咩？
佢都係有時出現一下，又消失好耐。
哦，阿哥佢，
好似隻海鷗咁。
阿哥佢好忙噶嘛。
咁你呢？你都好忙啊！你成日唔嚟睇我，你係咪覺得姐姐病咗，認唔出嚟啊？
唔係啊，
係噶，我唔係特登噶，我都唔知係點回事啊！
你當時嚇親啊嘛，唔係你嘅錯嚟噶。
Oh my god. I think it's what I'm the most scared of
夠鐘食藥啦。
of losing my memories. Because I don't want my family to have to deal with me.
我近排都好聽醫生話噶，按時食藥，我好快就可以好翻起身噶。
I'm
家姐好
gonna
叻。
cry.
盧一啊，你知唔知啊？其實姐姐冇病噶，我就係容易有啲心煩。
When I say deal with me, it's more like I don't want to be a weight,
要食藥，仲有啲心煩，自己點解
and I don't want them to
咁
go
容易心
through
煩？
what he's going
心
through.
煩佢成日都唔嚟睇我，我仲心煩佢。
做乜嘢啊？
佢唔愛我。
唔愛？點會啊？
What if I have a theory? He doesn't like her and did, and likes him. That's why he's being so sweet towards him. I don't know, it's too soon to say, but the way he reacted and even interacted with him was brotherly. It was brotherly, but it could be something more.
我係六一啊，家姐。
成清哥，你係愛我㗎？咁你點解好少抱我啊？你抱我嘅時候，我認真睇過你，你嘅靈魂唔喺呢度，你對眼好似睇緊好遠嘅另外一個人。
Someone else far away.
你嘅靈魂喺邊度？
家姐，
你嘅靈魂飛走咗啊！好似隻海鷗咁。
我係六一啊，家姐，家姐。
Oh no.
你唔愛我，你做咩要娶我？
I think I'm right.
點解？你愛嘅
To be close to him, maybe.
家姐，家姐係我啊，我係六一啊。我係六一啊，六一啊，六一。冇事啦。
六一，我頭先係咪？
冇事啦，冇事冇事。
I think I'm loving this story even more. Not that the relationship between them gave so much depth to it.
你對眼好似睇緊好遠嘅另外一個人。
大佬，附近一哥等緊你。你點會嚟咗嘅？我聽講你受咗傷喎。一係今晚你唔好走啦，瞓客房啦。
阿哥，你出邊係咪有第二個？
你喺度亂講乜嘢啊？
家姐話你唔愛佢啊，話你有第二個啊。
I think I'm right.
你仲記唔記得你求我娶小妹嗰陣
Wait.
講過啲乜嘢？
Don't have time
你
to
仲記唔
read
記
it.
得你求我娶小妹
What you say when you begged me to marry? Oh.
嗰陣講過啲乜嘢？你好快20歲咯喎，想要咩生日禮物啊？
我個乜嘢，阿哥都會應承。
梗係啦，阿哥咁錫你。
I'd do anything for you.
我想要家姐做我大嫂。
你話希望我哋3個人可以好似真正嘅家人咁，永遠喺埋一齊。我應承咗你，因為
And this was
我都係
the only way to keep you by his side.
而且我淨係希望咁樣，所以你以後唔好再亂講啦。淺水灣嗰邊有間唔錯嘅西餐廳，我過幾日會帶佢去。
阿哥啊，阿哥， 你唔可以真正咁愛佢咩？
That's not that simple. Wow, he married her for him. This is crazy. I'm not convinced.
老一哥你督波好犀利喎！
睇住啦。
Oh wow, he really loves
睇緊啊！
his butt. I'm watching.
點啊？點啊？
哦，
Cute.
你啲傷點啊？
你盲㗎？有眼睇㗎？
咁家姐佢咧？
你究竟想講乜嘢啊？
哦，阿爸開咗個新嘅醫生俾我。啊，唔係，阿爸開咗一劑平心靜氣嘅藥方俾我，仲有一副回血化瘀嘅藥，俾你同阿嫂嘅。唔知道可唔可以用得着咧？
Please don't hurt my baby. Give him a break.
之前就懷疑你有問題㗎啦，係咪睇啱我家姐啊？
冇啊！
咁你對我家姐咁好啊？聽講之前喺度嗰陣，你四圍打聽我家姐喎。
我只係擔心你同阿嫂咋。
六一
一
係咪又蝦初三啊？
冇蝦。
Such a liar.
初三你冇嘢啊嘛？
只不過係耳仔有啲喉，唔痛嘅。
係咯，家姐，我同佢玩下啫嘛，係咪啊？係咪啊，初三啊？
呢啲咩嚟？
Ooh, jealousy.
呢啲係俾阿嫂嘅。
補品嚟嘅。家姐，你今日着得好好睇啊！
係咩？
係啊。
成清哥今日要帶我去西餐廳食牛扒啊！喂，嗰間餐廳牛扒好好食㗎。初三，你中唔中意食牛扒啊？
未食過。西餐太貴啦，食一餐要使我1個月嘅生活費。
咁一係你同我哋一齊去食啊！成清哥買單，作為信嘅回報。
唔得，
六一，交朋友大方啲。
唔係啊，家姐，唔係大唔大方嘅問題啊。
咪一齊去咯。
You want
又唔
to?
係坐唔到。
吓？
Oh, I think you want to give them space. It's surprising that she's proposing when she wanted to have some alone time with him. That's not his fault. He did nothing wrong. He just stood there.
唔係我話主動要去㗎。
So violent. I really love the dynamic.
行啦。
What about school? I hope he's not gonna have to give up on school.
晚上好，學生，你預定嘅係聖誕主題雙人位，而家係咪要改成4人用餐啊？
我哋坐下邊得㗎啦。家姐阿哥，你哋坐嗰邊啦。
好，難得你主動交朋友，照顧好初三啊！
一定。
They can have a double date.
我哋去嗰邊啊。
He really wanted to give them alone time. Oh, he's such a cutie. Can you focus on my baby?
佢哋係咪好襯啊？唔識食就用手拿。唔該，攞對筷子嚟啊！
先生，我哋呢度係西餐廳，冇人用筷子食西餐。
筷子啊，明唔明啊？我哋中國人食飯應該用筷子㗎。
好啊，先生，請稍等。
仲咁多嘢講。
夏綠一，多謝你啊！仲有嗰日你救咗我。
He is so handsome。
唔好自作多情啊吓！你幫我做嘢，咁你就係我條僆。照顧兄弟咧，係大佬應該做嘅。等你寫完劇本，我哋就一啲拉楞都冇。就算你死喺路邊，我都唔會望你一眼。
I think you're lying。
古惑仔、衰人、衣冠禽獸、人面獸心、冷酷無情。
我初三
3秒內仲食得㗎？
我頂你個肺啊！
成清哥，今日呢度好架勢啊！你記唔記得啊？其實你之前帶我嚟過呢度噶，嗰陣時呢，我哋一齊過聖誕，我哋喺附近烤燒烤、放煙花。綠一仲特別調皮，啲煙花炸到佢笑。
Oh no, he's looking at him. Oh no.
下次唔帶你嚟啊！對唔住啦。
Oh no.
其實唔貴㗎。
我幫你洗翻啦，唔好意思啊。
綠一仲係咁調皮。
係咯，綠一呢條友仔越嚟越似混世魔王。
家姐。
Oh no. Oh no. Not her, please.
阿哥。家姐。家姐。
好，
家姐。
過嚟。
翻落嚟啊！翻落嚟啊，家姐。嚟啊！你唔好嚇我啊，家姐。家姐，你做乜嘢啊？快啲翻過嚟啊！
Don't do this to him. Not in front of him. Oh my god, no. She learned the truth, I think.
家姐。家姐。
Not the beautiful music.
把青龍雙刀。阿哥，我帶你走，扶住我。
Oh, I knew it. Damn it. No. How can it be so good? Oh, it's in the past. Okay, that was in the past when you saved him. I was like, why is he smiling? There is nothing to smile about. But now I understand. Oh no. I love that song so much. Oh, it's gonna go to him, maybe. Wow. This story is heavy. Oh, he didn't know it was him. They did really well with the makeup. I mean, for the blood and everything, the wound. I love the fact that he's staying like that. Hurry, baby! He's losing blood. Let's hurry and patch him up. Oh my god, that episode was even better than the first one. This show is really, really good. It was my reaction to Sammy's Children's Day episode 2. Wow, I hope you guys like that episode as much as me, because am I the only one being surprised by the quality of that series? That is insane. And yeah, I'm excited for the next part. I will leave you there, guys. If you enjoy my reaction, please subscribe, hit the bell and put a like, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, lot of kisses.
Jays and Saya on my screen, tears and laughter every scene. Jays is crying, it's so sweet to watch her babies go so deep.
Saya's quiet, giving thought, watching every single plot. Jays is tissues everywhere. Saya just gives that blank stare.
Oh, Jay, she cries. Oh, Saya sighs. Two reactors loving boys love, just two girls seeking for love. Jay's her baby's on her mind. Every tear she cannot hide. Protect them she always swears. Loves with all the shares. And then Saya holds her ground, with her heart forever bound to the boys that act so sweet, with their big eyes and their big smiles. Oh, Jay, she cries. Oh, Saya sighs. Two reactors loving boys love, just two girls seeking for love. Protecting every boy, Jay shouts with joy. Don't you dare hurt them. Love will win again. Saya softly hums while the laughter comes. Still her heart beats fast when the cute times last. Oh, Jay, she cries. Oh, Saya sighs. Two reactors loving boys love, just two girls.